Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so now we're reading an inspiring story. The next topic is a local Uber driver makes $100,000 a year, driving 84 hours a week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot of hours.
And he's doing it for Uber Eats too.
Oh my God.
Isn't that what you said what Ronnie does?
Yeah, that is what Ronnie does. What is that, 12 hours a day, 7 days a week? Yeah, so over the weekend, a video following one Uber Eats driver's progress towards $100,000 a year went viral. Brought to you by Grow, a sponsored content partnership.
You don't need to read that part. Brought to you by Solo, Work Solo, where you can get guaranteed pay as an Uber Eats or Uber driver. Link below and get $10 for signing up. Continue.
Yeah. So this Uber Eats driver is on track to make $100,000 a year. Here's how he's doing it. After the pandemic killed his online business and caused a hiring freeze, Sam Lyon created what he called the Uber Eats Challenge on TikTok to see how much he could earn in the month of June.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty much exactly what Ronnie did.
Yeah, Ronnie.
And the other guy we interviewed from Chicago, what's his name? Do you remember what I'm talking about?
No.
Well, he was making YouTube videos, like doing Uber Eats or Uber or something.
Oh, yeah.
Time.
Yeah, I remember him. Yeah.
He's like doing 100 hours.
The Brazilian guy, right?
What?
The Brazilian guy.
Yeah.
He had an accent. I don't remember, but from where?
Yeah.
But yeah.
So the challenge was simple. Make as much money as possible, provide driving as long as possible every day for the entire month. Uber Eats allows drivers to be online for
so the maximum is 12 hours. So they just
I didn't even know they had a maximum.
Yeah. So yeah, basically guys, if you want to make $100,000 a year, you got to drive 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. No breaks, no days off.
Basically have no life.
But yeah, I mean, it's like these people who it's like, you're not getting any overtime pay. No, like, normal jobs, you get time and a half when you're doing over 40 hours a week. 84?
Yeah.
So I think the government's like, okay, we got to put up some regulations here. Like, if you're going to drive 84 hours a week for Uber, like, we need to give you some benefits because they're not working any other jobs to get benefits. Anyways.
Yeah.
So that's $100,000 a year.